Today we will discuss different ways to zoom in or zoom out the artboard in Adobe Illustrator. Use Command+ and Command- on Mac, and Control+ and Control- on Windows as a keyboard shortcuts. For zoom in and zoom out, you can click on Zoom tool, or you can press Z key on the keyboard to select the zoom tool. Single click allows you to zoom in on a smaller scale, and double click allows you to zoom double the percentage of your current work area scale. If you are using mouse with your laptop or PC, you can use spacebar plus option on Mac and Alt key on Windows and mouse wheel together to zoom in and zoom out the artboard in Adobe Illustrator. Go to the menu. Click View. Here you will see zoom in or zoom out options. You may have to click multiple times if you are zooming in on a large scale. You can also change the percentage from the left bottom of the document